Guys, I got a full-faced hoodie on, or it's my ski mask, and I am still cold. Okay, I sanded it down. And that exposed the crack. So, see if we can move this guy in a little bit more. Hold on, man. Let me get some of this shit out of the way here. Put it to the other side. Because I made this mistake before with the other fairing. I should have welded it first, and I didn't. Here, hold on a minute. Oh man, I'll tell you, I can't wait till this damn winter is over, guys. Cannot wait till this winter is over, man. This is a bad one. I knew it was going to be bad. I've been telling everybody it's going to be bad, and it is bad. And it's actually just started. Okay, I got this screwdriver here, orange. Now, when you do this, don't worry about burning too deep of them. You don't want to burn a deep hole. You just want to weld the plastics together. You could even use a soldering iron, you know. I gotta set my I gotta set this down, guys, so I can hold my so I can hold the nose. And you don't even have to do the whole crack. But we're going to do most of it. And then we'll sand that down and we'll fill it in. I haven't decided what I'm going to do with this nose yet. I don't know if I'm going to just paint it. As you see, I removed the decal on this one side. The decal set alone is $50. I gotta watch I don't burn my house now while I'm doing this. Let's get this one down here too. Move some of that plastic around. See how I'm manipulating that plastic? I'm moving it. That's what you want. Because when you take this nose off, you're going to be, or whoever takes it off, even a dealer, you know, they're going to be a little rough with it. And that's why you want this strong enough to and what we're going to do here too is we're going to try to move that plastic around a little bit more. Okay guys, I'm going to pause you a little bit. Since I don't have touchscreen gloves, I got to take these off. I'll do a little bit more of this and we'll restart the video. Okay, that come out pretty good. Now I'm not done with it. That's just the outside. Now what we're going to do here, see if I can get you guys to see the inside here a little bit. Now see the inside, you can see where the crack is right there. And then there's another side here. And we're going to go a little deeper on the inside. This is actually already strong, but it's not strong enough to withstand a grease monkey at a dealership. Or even with me, I'm pretty rough when I take these off too. So we're going to get those welds a little deeper on the inside, and then we'll see what we can do.